India has proposed the export of its indigenous Akash air defense missile system to Brazil. The offer came during a high-level meeting between Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and Brazilian leaders as both sides agreed to intensify their defense and security collaboration with a focus on technology cooperation, joint production, and industrial linkages.
U.S. soldiers are deploying Black Hornet 4 micro-drone system to enhance surveillance and threat detection along the U.S. southern border, providing real-time intelligence to support security operations. The Black Hornet is a palm-sized drone which connects to its operator through secure digital data link and GPS, transmitting live video and imagery to a handheld control terminal.
Kalashnikov concern has delivered new batch of SV-98 sniper rifles to Russian forces under a 2025 state contract. According to the company, the SV-98 is equipped with a free-floating barrel designed for precision fire.
Pakistan and Afghanistan have agreed to a temporary 48-hour ceasefire following days of intense and deadly cross-border clashes. The ceasefire was mutually agreed upon at the request of Afghan Taliban regime.